Hello everyone, thanks for joining us. It's me, Reed from Next Home PPM Realty. Today we're at 1109 Mohawk Road, located in South Fayette. This is a completely renovated home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Come take a look at the inside. I love these barn doors. Other details about this house I love are the shiplap wall, the wood burning fireplace, tiled backsplash, completely renovated kitchen and bathrooms. Outside you're going to enjoy 2 separate areas for entertaining, a private backyard. We're just minutes away from South Fayette School campus, and there's so much more to offer that South Fayette and this house have for you. If you'd like to learn more, or schedule a showing, or make this your next home, please reach out to us.